Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I styled a floral dress from my Macy's haul. The dress is the perfect spring and summer dress for any occasion, so I created 3 looks with it. The first look is for an outdoor or beach wedding. It gives the rich auntie vibe and I added a scarf to this look. Next is the second look, which is formal. I added a yellow jacket for a pop of color and for some layering. This outfit is ideal for work, church, or any formal event while looking comfortable. The third and the final look works well for a date, brunch with the girls, or an Easter dinner with the family. The floral design in this dress makes it suitable for any skin color, and the style takes away the worry of wearing shapewears that comes with bodycon dresses. Let me know which is your favorite look in the comment section. The links to these looks would be in the description below. Thank you.